Dream Code by Wow.
Then I have this vitamin C by Garnier. I really love this because it used to remove all the dirt from my skin. These both are the best, so highly recommended. Then I have this Fairy Tale by Bath & Body Works. I love this and this is one of my favorite from Bath & Body Works. This foaming bath salts by Dove is the best because it makes your skin feels like butter. After taking a shower, I always put this because it makes your skin shiny. Then I have this lotion by Nivea. My favorite shampoo and it makes my hair silky and shiny. They all are the best mask.